Greg. He's not my uncle, but he's been a true companion. We think a lot alike, so I love Greg. He's out in the festival, so 2020. But truly, for the board of directors for having enough faith to ask me to do this, I sure appreciate all of you. And not that I want to do it again. It's a lot of fun. And I wish nothing but the best for Hephaestus going forward. And I'm looking forward to that 100th anniversary.
Hail to the king! 60. Nice, why is long now?
Okay, do y'all know how hard it is to get speeches after Mr. Owl? I thought I was maybe going to go after our moose and we were going to race to the finish line to see who could finish quickest. I just want to thank everyone for being here today. And I want to thank the host, Mr. Joe and Miss Gina, for having us here. It's been so fun. I've had a lot of fun today. Borderline too much, but not. But yeah, so first off, I want to start by thanking my parents, Mom and Dad. Where are y'all at?
I'm here. Mom is here.
I'm included this time.
Mom, you're included always. You can't hear?
You can't
I'm
hear.
deaf though.
He can't hear anything. Yeah, so I want to thank y'all. I mean, literally, I could not have done any of this without y'all, so thank you very much. I also want to shout out Nanny, Val. You've done so much for me, so cheers to you. Couldn't have done this without you. I'd like to thank the board. Thank y'all for choosing me to be Queen 60. I've truly had so much fun. And it's so fun to experience this with so many of my family and friends on the court this year. It's been so fun. So I just want to say thank y'all for doing this for me. I'd like to thank my court, all of you maids and dukes. Y'all look beautiful. Who else? I'd like to thank Tanner.
Yes. Where is
He's probably hiding in the back somewhere. Don't like the attention, but here I am on a balcony. So.
Romeo and Juliet, baby. Romeo and Juliet.
I'd like to live to see tomorrow, so thank you to my siblings for being born. Love you, Elizabeth and Valerie. But I really, this Mardi Gras has been so fun. And if you know me, you know I'm kind of more shyer, but this has been so fun. So cheers to Hephaestus. Hephaestus is the bestest. I came up with a cheer. And the chant is, if they wanted their queen to be sober, they would not have asked a host.
Joe and Gina, thank you. It's an awesome home, and what a great gathering. I cannot follow up that shower chant. But I will say, what an awesome king and queen and captain.
Here, here.
Happen to be related to a few of these people. So it's all good. I do thank all of these marvelous dukes who answered my call, and their people said, yes, yay team. So I'll introduce them over here to the right, Mr. Scott Grove, Mr. Polite, he's awesome. We have Mr. Tommy Hover, who traveled all the way from Oklahoma.
Here, here.
Our newest Berwick and Morgan City citizen is
Here,
Mr.
here.
Oh, and we have Mr. Cody Ritten. And we have Mr. Dan Sanford. And Connor LeBlanc. Here. Here's to our Dukes. Cheers. Thank y'all so much. This is the bestest. If they wanted sober Dukes, I don't know what to say.
You struck out with this person.
That's right.
And I'm going to do the maids real quickly. We have Kyle Wilson. We have Sydney Wilson. We have Gabby Robichaux. Mary Catherine Reggie. We have Emily Price. And Juliana Hernandez.
Hey, so look, I gave a speech earlier.
Go ahead,
I'm
Cody.
not going to keep you long, but I like cleanups, right? Mr. Greg, thanks for driving us today.
Here,
I wouldn't
here.
be here if you didn't. I appreciate it. Happy Mardi Gras. Mr. Joe, Miss Gina, thank you so much. Y'all know, but you gave me my first job ever in my whole life. It taught me a lot about being a man, and I appreciate it. Thank you.
Here, here.
Elena, you and Allison, best sister-in-laws I could ever think of. We love y'all very much. Allison's back over there. She is. Love you so much. Dude, I have a great family. I'm so lucky. Thank you. Happy Mardi Gras.
Here, here. Girls.
And to wrap, are we gonna wrap this toasting thing up?
Okay.
I want to do the last one, but before I can't sleep in my own house tonight, I want to say thank you to my wife, my daughters, Miss Kelly Patterson, and Jennifer, my sister-in-law, who helped put all this thing together that I had nothing to do with.
Here, here.